So here's an interesting problem, and I think we're going to get an interesting answer based on the values given here. According to federal law, the room temperature of a long-term care facility may not exceed 84 degrees Fahrenheit when the humidity is below 60%. After 3 readings of 73, 70, and 79 degrees Fahrenheit, what must the fourth reading be to average 84 degrees Fahrenheit? So we're going to get a number even greater than 84 as our fourth value, isn't it? And that's going to be kind of hot for a long-term care facility. Regardless, let's try to solve this for what we're asked to do. So let's highlight the important information here in yellow and the question in green and try to figure out how to solve this. We know that average, to calculate average, we take the sum of all the numbers in a list and then we divide by the number of numbers that there are. In this case, we have a 73 and a 70 and a 79. We're going to add that to some fourth value, x. That's what we're solving for. What must the fourth reading be to average 84? When we add those up, we're going to get some value. So how do we figure out what this value right here needs to be? This is the crux of these unknown values in an average problem. If we know that our average needs to be 84, and we know that we have 4 values. So we can calculate our sort of total here by figuring what if every value in this list was 84? 84 plus 84 plus 84 plus 84, that gives us some total. And then when we divide that total by 4, we're back to 84, aren't we? So if we take 84 times 4, that's going to give us 336. And 336 divided by 4, as I said, that gives us 84. So we know that a total of 336, when we divide that, the number of numbers in this list, 4, we come up with 84. So let's see, what's our next step? We need to know what the sum is of these 3 numbers, 73, 70, and 79. And that happens to be 222. So we take those 3 numbers, we add them together, we get 222. So let's bring this down and we're going to say, okay, what's left here? We have 222 plus x is equal to 336. Let's solve for x. We subtract 222 from both sides. 336 minus 222 gives us 114. And if we plug our value of 114 in here, we add those 4 together, we get 336. We divide by 4, we get our average of 84. So guess what? Our answer, the temperature for our fourth reading, is what seems like an extremely high temperature for a group of senior long-term care facility, but our answer ends up being 114 degrees Fahrenheit. I hope this is helpful.